head and say...
Vend dig om og så sig god dreng.
Oh.
Oh.
Okay. That's what you do with any horse.
Prøv igen. Tag den igen.
And the thing is, you don't, when you do that, you're not asking him, you know? Sometimes you're not like, please come with me. That's actually, because you are the leader. You don't ask them, please come with me.
Yeah.
It's like you stare them in the eyes. What is, usually you don't do so. With that you say the boss. Then turn around, don't look at them. And they will do this. Then the...
Prøv at se, om du kan løbe fra ham.
Imachora? Josh Achora? Oh.
Se, om du kan gøre det, du gjorde med rebet. Ja, fæ.
And he's licking, it's really good. Taking his head down.
Ja. Prøv at stoppe og se, om du kan få ham til at gå baglæns.
Imachora?
Nej, det er ligesom når du går. Det er ikke begge arme sammen.
Mia. Walking.
Hvad? You're
He's
fint.
a bit small.
Ja.